Dear friends, I welcome to all. Today I am going to tell you how to become a fluent speaker. Okay. First of all, think if you are a beginner, then you have to try to speak. On a small topic. You have to try to speak on a small topic. Okay. Like there are a lot of topic in front of you. Okay. So first of all, choose one topic and try to speak, and that one will be on your word, so that you can express your view fluently. Okay. For example, today I am going to tell you about my house. Okay. Because each and every person has own house, and you try to speak at least 10 sentence related about it. Okay. So you can say, I have a house in which there are four rooms in which there is a bedroom. In this, there is a tube light, there is a bed, and there is a sofa set also, or some chairs in front my bed. Okay. And after that, what have you kept in that room? You have to tell. Okay. And that sentence should be in your own word, so that while you speaking all the word, you can speak in fluently. Okay. Dear friends, let's start. Next, move to another room. Next, after that, there is a puja room in which there is some element of worship, and there is a statue of god, like those god you love so much. Then tell the name of that statue and goddess. Okay. And next, move to your drawing room. Okay. In which there are some dining table, there is a sofa set, there is a led, and there is some chairs on that. Okay. So you can there is also a AC there. Okay. Next, you move to your kitchen room. Okay. Kitchen room in which there are some utensils, and that is the very comfortable. And after that, you move to, there is a courtyard, in which there is a small garden in which there are different type of flower plants. Okay. In which there you can say name of the flower. Okay. Like rose, lily, and there is a imported plant. Okay. That is the main thing of our garden. And this is my house. Okay. Like this, you have to try to speak in fluent way. Okay. And at the last of, you can say, I am happy with my house, or I am satisfied with our house. Thank you. And what you think about your house, then you have to comment in my comment box. Thank you for watching this video.